Hi guys, it's your boy Swaze. I ordered a couple stuff from Airsoft GI. This is the summer mystery box from them, and then I'm guessing these are the BBs that I ordered. So yeah, let's just start. Yep, this is the 1K or 1 kilograms of BBs from Airsoft GI. I think they're the .28. Yeah. Alright, moving on. Let's do this side first. Let's see what I got. Decoy. What is this? Jesus Christ. This is so recording. So, got a letter on the top. Says, congratulations, redemption code for a Umrex H&K G36C. The black spotlight. Alright, so I got the Umrex H&K G36C. I guess. Give me a decoy box, that's weird. That's really weird. So, got that and the BBs. So as you guys saw, I got the Umrex G36 H&K G36 Black Sport line. They gave me a certificate, which I waited 7 days for. Free shipping, but still waiting 7 days for a certificate instead of an actual gun. It's kind of bullshit, to be honest. Got my BBs, it's fine. I needed those, but yeah, that kind of pisses me off that Airsoft GI would send me a decoy box, which is the actual, like, cutout of the gun, with, like, everything included, but not the gun, which is really stupid. But yeah, I waited 7 days for a certificate, just to redeem it offline so that they can actually send it to me again. Yeah, why didn't they just email me saying that you won this gun and that you can redeem it once we have it in stock and then we'll ship it to you? That would have been fine with me. I don't want to wait 7 days for something that isn't in the box. I actually looked online and UPS said that it was 10 pounds. The box was 10 pounds and that there was 2 boxes included. The BB box and the gun box, and they said that the gun box was 10 pounds, which made sense because airsoft guns are supposed to be heavy because they're supposed to look like the actual guns in real life. But I noticed when I picked it up from the doorstep that it was like maybe a pound, maybe less than a pound, because it was just an empty box. So yeah, that kind of pisses me off. Hope you guys liked the video. I don't really care about it anymore. But yeah, so peace, guys.